Opening the app. Once you have opened the app on your device, you will see the following screen. You have two options: start with a free tutorial and a small number of questions, or download all tutorials with the full paid version. To access all the questions, you must purchase the full version. You can select tutorials to be deleted by clicking on the red cross on the left-hand side. Click on Delete if you want to remove the tutorial from your device, or return to the previous screen by clicking on Finished. Free tutorials. We will first look at the free version. If you want to start with the free version, choose e.driver Student Edition. If you have pressed this button, you will see the following screen. By clicking on Start, you will begin a new tutorial and the statistics will be reset. By clicking on Back to Test, you will return to the previous tutorial. Configuration. With the Configuration button, you have the option to filter the topics and leave out specific questions. To do so, remove the tick next to a topic or topics and then click on Start. Navigation. Once you have clicked on Start, you will be taken to the practice questions. At the top, you will see the navigation with the names of the respective topics, as well as the arrow buttons to navigate. A question number and the total number of questions will also be shown. A timer in the middle of the navigation bar shows you how much time is needed to work through the questions. If you click on Back, you will return to the home screen. Many questions are shown with an image, which can be enlarged by clicking on the magnifying glass symbol. Under the image are several answers to choose from. Carefully read the answers and choose the one that you believe to be correct. The answer that you have chosen will appear green. In the event of an incorrect answer. After you have selected an answer, you can move on to the next question by using the arrow keys. If your answer was wrong, however, you will not immediately go to the next question. Instead, an indication of the incorrect answer will be displayed. The incorrect answers are marked red, while the answer chosen by you is also marked with a blue tick. The correct answer is marked green. You will find an explanation of the corresponding answer next to it. Toolbar. At the bottom you will find the toolbar. We will now take a look at the individual tools. Topic navigation. On the far left is an icon that allows you to quickly and easily navigate between the various topics. Clicking the icon opens a submenu that allows you to go to the next or previous topic. You can also go to a specific topic by clicking Select Topic. After clicking on Go to Question X, the following screen appears. Here you can select a topic and a specific question number. Confirm your selection by clicking on Done, or click on Cancel to return to the previous screen.